Have you noticed groceries, fuel, and rent getting more expensive every year? That's inflation silently reducing the value of your money. Imagine buying a burger for $2 a few years ago. Today, the same burger might cost $4 or even $5 also. But the burger didn't change much. So, what happened? That's called inflation. Inflation is the increase in prices of goods and services over time. When inflation rises, the purchasing power of your money decreases. In simple terms, your money buys less than it's used to. For example, if inflation is 5% per year, something that costs $100 today might cost 105 next year. Inflation can happen for several reasons. Sometimes the demand increases faster than supply. Sometimes the production costs like fuel or wages rise. And sometimes governments increase the money supply. A small amount of inflation is normal in a growing economy, but if inflation rises too quickly, it can make everyday life more expensive. That's why many people try to save and invest their money so it can grow faster than inflation. Because of because if your money stays the same while prices keep rising, you are actually losing purchasing power over time, and that's the real impact of inflation.